Let's talk like a native Korean speaker. Hello everyone! 안녕하세요 여러분! Welcome back to Korean Like a Native! Today we are going to learn very popular Korean idiomatic expression, which is this. Do you know what it means? 입이 짧다. 입이 짧다. Literally, it means your mouth is short because 입 is your mouth. 입. And 짧다 means to be short. But you know, how could someone's mouth is actually short? It's impossible, right? So actually, it means your appetite is very small. You know, if someone is like a bird, or if someone is very picky, or someone doesn't eat very much, you can say 입이 짧다. 입이 짧다 in Korean. So for example, everybody starts eating together and then someone is like, okay, I'm done, I'm full, like, you know, dropping the spoon, even though the food is left a lot. Yeah, in kind of that situation, you can say like, oh, 입이 짧으시네요. 입이 짧으시네요. Oh, you don't eat very much. Or you can use this phrase to yourself, like, 저는 입이 짧아요. Or 저는 입이 짧은 편이에요, which means I usually don't eat very much. So I think you can see these phrases a lot from the Korean celebrities interviews, like especially when they are talking about their secret to keep in shape. Yeah, I've seen 입이 짧다 a lot. So I found one article for you. So this is about EXO. It says, 수호는 세훈에 대해 입이 너무 짧다. 배고프다고 해서 밥을 먹으면 딱 한 입만 먹는다. Which means 수호는 세훈에 대해 수호 said about 세훈 that 입이 너무 짧다. He doesn't eat very much. 배고프다고 해서 밥을 먹으면 when he eats the pop, you know, cooked rice, because he's hungry or when he's hungry, 딱 한 입만 먹는다. He takes just only one bite. 딱 means just, and 한 입만 is only one bite, and 먹는다 is, you know, to eat. So yeah, in kind of this situation, you know, if someone's appetite is very small, or if someone is very, you know, picky, you can say 입이 짧다 in Korean, okay? And then like I said, 짧다 means to be short, so you might guess you can also say 입이 길다, because 길다 means to be long. But there is no phrases like that, okay? We don't say 입이 길다 for the, you know, opposite expression. You can just say 많이 먹어요 instead, okay? 많이 먹어요. I eat a lot. So for example, 저는 입이 짧아요. I don't eat very much. 저는 입이 짧아요. And then you can say like, 아, 그래요? Oh, really? 저는 음식은 다 좋아해서 I love all kind of foods. 다 잘 먹어요. I eat a lot. Alright, so that's it for today. In that situation, you know, you can use this idiomatic expression, 입이 짧다. Okay? 여러분은 입이 짧아요? 아니면 많이 먹어요? Let me know in the comment below. 그러면 I'll see you guys in the next time. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to share this video. I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye. What is this? Bye.